Developing tonight, neighbors are keeping a close eye on a sinkhole that's in front of a home in Hernando County. The ground just opened up over the weekend in Spring Hill, swallowing, well, part of the street and part of a home's driveway. The woman who owns the home has until tomorrow morning to remove all of her valuables, and crews will also be on hand to figure out how to repair the sinkhole. It is a scary reality that sinkholes can happen just about anywhere in Florida without warning.
Yeah, but now researchers at the University of Central Florida are looking to change that. Fox 35's Kimberly Wiggins explains.
From Seffner to Claremont to Winter Haven, sinkholes are a dangerous natural disaster Floridians know too well, causing massive damage and even claiming lives. This Winter Park fishing pond began as much more. Back in 1981, this sinkhole swallowed a house, 5 cars, a business, and a part of a city swimming pool. But today, researchers at the University of Central Florida are working to figure out a way to prevent this from ever happening again.
The cavities are being formed under us all the time.
UCF professor Manesh Chopra and his PhD student Mohammed Al-Roaimi have spent years studying sinkholes. To study them, researchers created this mini sinkhole simulator behind their Stormwater Management Academy lab. Soil fills a large oil drum, mimicking the limestone bedrock under us.
Even if it's a small depression, we have some few of them even the media sometimes doesn't see, but I can see them in some parking lots.
Al-Roaimi pours some water, aka rain, and waits. He records the water levels and temperature in these PVC pipes. They're simulating wells.
When it rains, the water pressure forces that soil to go through the hole, which is the crack, and causes this column of cavity to form, which continues to grow until we get a large opening, which is the sinkhole.
It's taken a good deal of trial and error. This demo lasted a little more than 10 minutes. Normally, it can take hours to do this. In real life,
Years or maybe even 10 years.
researchers believe the groundwater levels can give them clues, perhaps even help them predict where a sinkhole might form.
And it's very exciting as a moment because I didn't believe that this is going to happen.
The project isn't complete, but maybe soon.
My goal is to guide development by saying that, you know, if you're going to build in this area, or if you've already built in this area, keep an eye on what's going on, what the ground's telling you.
Meantime, the group just met with the Florida Department of Transportation. They're hoping to collaborate.
I'll be realistic, and Mohammed has to graduate, so we can't be too far away.
One that keeps us above ground, more aware of what's happening under our feet. In Orlando, Kimberly Wiggins.
Try to see if the ground gives us a sign.
Fox 35 News.
So right now the project is not funded. Researchers are hopeful that they will find some financial help soon.